adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Meow, 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 meow.
I'm Cementicus the Builder, and I'm really upset.
Why's that?
Because me and my brother, we're the most successful builders in all of Rome.
Why are you crying if you're so successful?
Because we're too busy. We've got to build this great big aqueduct. That's a bridge that carries water. And there's a huge posh house that we're building for none other than the ruler of all of ancient Rome, Emperor Stropicus Maximus himself.
So what's the problem?
Well, the Emperor's house isn't finished, and he's coming to inspect it today. I should be there with my brother.
Well, why don't you just go there then?
Because all of Rome is waiting for running water from this aqueduct, and I can't leave until it's finished.
Maybe I can help. But there's only one of me. Who needs my help the most?
Fabulous. That's my brother's name. Go to him quick. If the house isn't finished before the Emperor arrives, he'll be really cross. And when Emperor Stropicus Maximus is upset, well,
what?
There'll be punishment, and it will involve very hungry lions.
Very hungry lions?
Quick, it's over the hill and down that road. It leads to Rome.
Okay, good luck, Cementicus.
Let's play.
This tunic is very comfy, but it does let in the breeze. I could do with something to keep me warm.
Whoa, your horses. Hello, madam. I am special office. May I interest you in something from my mobile market? Yes, of course I can. There you are. Have a look at this beautiful necklace.
I'm not really sure.
Oh, go on, take a hold of that. That's right. Look at those stones. They match your eyes. And special offer just for you today, between you and me, 50% off. How about that?
No, thank you. Oh, but this is more like it.
Oh, I can see madam has an eye for quality. Imagine that. A purple wall hanging, a purple sofa cover, or even half a pair of purple curtains.
Oh, perfect. I'll take it. Thank you.
Beautiful. Enjoy. Don't try wearing it though, will ya? Everyone knows that, right? Right.
That's better. Much warmer. I'm as snug as a bug in a purple rug. Excuse me, is this the way into Rome?
What? Oh, sorry. Hail.
Hail? Nope, it looks pretty sunny to me.
No, hail, mighty Emperor.
Emperor? I'm not the Emperor.
You're not?
No, I'm just...
Well, then you're under arrest, that's what you are.
But why? I haven't haven't done anything wrong.
Emperor Stropicus will not be happy about this. Your punishment will be terrible. It'll almost definitely involve some very hungry lions.
Very hungry lions?
Come on, it's off to prison with you.
Oh dear, I need to get into the city to help Cementicus' his brother. But how can I persuade the guard not to arrest me if I don't even know what I've done wrong? Oh no, what am I going to do? Oh, hold on. I remember, do you? That's it. It's forbidden for anyone who isn't the Emperor to wear purple. I need to take this blanket off and fast. There you go. Makes a lovely tent door, so I've been told. Sorry about the mix-up.
That's all right. Enjoy your visit.
Oi, you, in the purple blanket! You're under arrest!
Oh no, it's not me. It was her.
Wow, ancient Rome's so big. I wonder where the Emperor's new house is. Excuse me? Oh, it's you again. Hello. You get around, don't you?
Special office is my name. Mobile market is my game. Have you been enjoying that purple blanket?
Not exactly. It almost got me arrested.
Oh, no, I knew I should have reminded you about that. Here, I'll tell you what, let me make it up to you. It's a nice, special, tasty treat. Foreign food is all the rage here in Rome. You'll love this one. This is the finest, fanciest dish all around at the moment. Now, what's it called now? It's,
Beans on toast?
Wow, you really know your fancy food, don't you? Here, go on, it's on the house.
Oh, no, it's really
All
fine.
right, it's yours, love.
No, thank you. Do you know where the Emperor's new house is?
You're standing right in front of it.
Oh, yeah. Nice pad, eh? Thanks, special
Are you
office.
sure you won't?
No, cheers. Hello, anyone home? Let me guess, Cementicus' his brother. Hello? You must be Fabulous?
I am, but this is no time for flattery.
I know, I met your brother earlier. I'm here to help you. I'm Rebecca.
Oh, thank you, Rebecca. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Everything's going wrong. The Emperor has sent instructions for a decorated floor in this room. He wants a massive picture of his whole face on it.
Oh, what's the problem?
Well, I haven't got time to do it. I got a message from the chef to say that he's sick, which means I'm cooking dinner. So I have to go to the market to buy a pink flamingo, a parrot, and some cute fluffy dormice. But if dinner and the floor aren't ready by the time Emperor Stropicus arrives, then...
Don't tell me. Something involving very hungry lions. Well, don't worry. You go to get what you need for dinner, and I'll decorate the floor.
Thank you, Rebecca. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Oh, great. I love painting. But I can't see any paint or brushes. Only this big patch of wet plaster and all those little pieces of tile. Oh, no, what am I going to do? Oh, hold on. I remember to do. That's it. Rich Romans decorate their floor with mosaics. Big pictures made out of lots of little bits of different coloured tiles and stone. Let's make a mosaic.
Let's play.
Excuse me, please, Rebecca. Oh, excuse me. A great big sack of food here. I have a parrot and 2 scoops of dormice.
Oh, dear. I don't fancy eating any of that. Oh, these ancient Romans ate some weird things. Yuck. So, Fabulous, what do you think of my mosaic?
What have you done? He's got a gappy grin.
I'm sorry, I ran out of white bits.
Oh, well, don't worry. There's some around here somewhere.
I'll look over here. No white bits in here. Fabulous, is that you? Hang on, I'm sure that sack of dinner was bigger before.
I found these.
Oh, great, thanks. Here we go. Oh, brilliant. And look, there's even one piece left over.
Thanks, Rebecca. You can have that.
Oh, fabulous. Thanks, Fabulous.
You're welcome. Now, there's just an hour before the Emperor arrives, so I can whip up a flavour-filled feast. Oh, this bag's a lot lighter than it was before. He's early. Early? A good Emperor knows how to take people by surprise.
Emperor Stropicus Maximus, welcome to your brand new imperial house. This is such an honour.
Of course it is. Not bad. I'll take a look around after dinner. Dinner is ready, I assume. Ooh, parrot. Yummy. My favourite starter. I'll have my dinner immediately, if not sooner.
The sack, parrot, dormice, right. Dinner escaped. Oh, no, this isn't good. The Emperor's really hungry. Oh, I know what we can do. There's a man outside selling fancy food from a far-off land. Beans on toast. Oh, it's very delicious and very modern. The Emperor's gonna love it.
I hope you're all right.
Oh, and dinner will be served in just a minute.
A whole minute? What am I supposed to do until then?
Uh-oh. We need to keep him busy until dinner arrives. Oh, hold on. I know what we can use. Do you? I knew this would come in handy. Your Imperial Highness. Have you ever seen one of these before? It's very modern.
Ooh, ooh. Me. Yes, I rule. I rule more than I already do.
I'm glad you like it.
Like it, I love it. It's amazing. It's all very modern. Oh, yes.
Yes. You've got some. That's fabulous.
No, I'm fabulous. This is dinner. Here, you serve it. I'm too nervous. I never ever want to stop playing with... Ooh, din-dins. This food is totally, utterly... delicious. It's the most wonderful thing I have ever tasted. It's even better than flamingo-flavoured fairy cakes.
Let's play.
Scrumptious. Now, I heard that fellow Fabulous has run me a bath. If there's one thing us Romans know, it's how to have a good bath.
I really hope you like it. And this is your bathhouse, your Empress.
Goody. I presume the dressing rooms are this way. I can't wait.
Fabulous. Are you in here? The Emperor's getting ready. Oh, he's looking forward to his bath. Great news, huh?
No, it's a disaster. Look what happens when I try to fill the bath with water.
It's not working.
I know it's not working. I can see it's not working. But do you know why it's not working? Because there is no running water in this part of Rome yet. It's a disaster. No running water means no bath for the emperor, and that means a whole lot of
Very hungry lions. Oh, no, this is a complete disaster. What are we going to do? Oh, hold on. I remembered you. That's it. Romans built huge bridges called aqueducts, which carried water into the towns and cities. And that's exactly what Cementicus was doing when I met him. Right, I need to go and help your brother, and our water worries will be over. You keep the emperor busy for a while. Oh, ask him about his cap and ball toy. He will love showing you that. Good plan, huh?
Fabulous plan, Rebecca. It's hopeless. I might as well just...
Cementicus, don't!
It's hopeless. I can't get my aqueduct to work. If I can't lift this great big water pipe on my own, it means I can't get running water to flow into all of Rome.
Well, you're not on your own anymore. Come on, Emperor Stropicus himself is depending on us. We did it!
Thanks, Rebecca. I'll turn on the valve.
It's fast time for Emperor Stropicus, and a whole new part of Rome will have running water. Well done.
Thanks, Rebecca. I could have done it without you.
Well, I better check at the Emperor's house. Well done, and bye-bye.
Thanks, Rebecca. Oh, I'm so happy. I could cry.
Oh, those brothers Cementicus and Fabulous really are the best builders in all of Rome.
That is one happy emperor. We did it, but we'd never have done it without remembering everything we needed to know.
The emperor was the only person in ancient Rome allowed to wear purple. Rich Romans made floor decorations from little pieces of tile and stone. And the Romans built huge bridges called aqueducts to carry water into their towns and cities.
Fabulous! You and your brother will be showered with honors and treats, none of which will involve very hungry lions. And for your first honor, I invite you to join me for an imperial bath. I thought you'd never ask. Come on, Rebecca.
I'd love to, but the thing is... I think it's time we went home. Bye-bye, both of you.
Farewell, Rebecca. Thank you for being a lovely Roman.